Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. After a really long wait, the Bauer 20V Brushless Compact Impact Wrench finally came out. This impact wrench has lived in the coming soon section on Harbor Freight website for half a year now. I've been using the impact driver with an adapter to take off lug nuts in order to wait for this impact wrench. The new Bauer Compact Impact Wrench looks exactly the same as the Hercules counterpart. While waiting for this impact wrench, I was really tempted to get into the Hercules line when Hercules released the high torque impact, which performs on par with the Milwaukee high torque. I didn't pull the trigger because Bauer plans to release both the compact impact and high torque impact in the near future. I decided to wait because I'm already invested in the Bauer platform and I don't work on cars as much in the winter. Now, the wait is finally over. I got this brand new impact wrench as a Christmas gift from my girlfriend. This impact wrench is part of Bauer's 20V platform, unsurprisingly. Unlike the previous Bauer impact wrenches, the new one comes with a brushless motor, which delivers an advertised 475 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. The impact wrench has 3 drive mode settings, with 1 being the lowest output and 3 being the highest output. Now, I don't know how the advertised nut-busting torque number is calculated. More likely than not, this compact impact won't deliver that number in a real-life setting. However, I'd be pretty happy if this thing can deliver half the advertised punch. It'd be more than enough for me to work on the basic maintenance and repair jobs on my vehicles. Let's take the impact wrench out of the box. Wow, it feels pretty sturdy and looks really nice. I have my brushless impact driver here with me to compare their sizes. The impact wrench is slightly longer than the impact driver, and the impact driver is slightly taller than the impact wrench. Otherwise, their head sizes looks pretty similar. In my impact driver video, we saw that the impact driver worked well for taking off lug nuts torqued up to 100 foot-pounds, but wasn't able to take off lug nuts torqued to 150 foot-pounds on my F150. I'm pretty sure this new impact wrench can do better than the impact driver. The question is, how much better? I was gonna test the impact driver and the impact wrench side by side for a direct comparison, at least until this happened. Because I didn't have a spare impact rated adapter, I have to use the clips from the previous impact driver video for comparison. It's not ideal, but it can give us an idea of how they compare with each other on the same torque setting. Before we begin, I broke loose the lug nut so we can torque to specs for our test. Our first test is 80 foot-pounds. I set the setting to 3, the most powerful one. Here we go. Pretty effortlessly for both the impact driver and the impact wrench. Moving on to our next test, 100 foot-pounds. Pretty effortlessly for the impact wrench as well. I would expect no less. Let's move up to 120 foot-pounds. According to our previous test, this is where the impact driver struggled a lot, but was able to eventually break loose the lug nut. Given the advertised numbers, the impact wrench shouldn't break a sweat on 120 foot-pounds. Let's see how it goes. As expected, the impact wrench broke loose 120 foot-pounds like a piece of cake. Moving up to 150 foot-pounds. This is the factory torque spec for my 2004 F150 lug nuts. The impact driver wasn't able to break loose 150 foot-pounds. Let's see how the impact wrench performs on this torque spec. For some reason, the impact wrench didn't start the first 3 times I pulled the trigger, but when it did work, it broke loose 150 foot-pounds effortlessly. Now, how about 160 foot-pounds? Sometimes we might over-tighten the lug nuts a little bit because of human error or torque wrench precision. Will this impact wrench be able to handle 160 foot-pounds? Nice, no problem at all. I didn't want to ruin the studs, so I didn't go for higher torque specs. Instead, I used the impact wrench to break loose all the other lug nuts, which have been on there for at least a year and a half. They're not rusted, but can represent average usage outside of the rust belt area. We can see that, even though it took a little bit longer on one lug nut, this impact wrench can break loose all of them without a problem. Very nice. There you have it, the all-new Bauer Brushless Compact Impact Wrench lug nut test. What do I think about this impact wrench? I like it a lot. Even though it's not more compact or powerful than the Milwaukee Meat Torque wrench, nor is it priced up there. This impact wrench is currently priced at $69. I used a 20% off coupon and got a 2-year replacement plan with it and paid $80.42 out of the door. The only concern that I have with this impact wrench is the trigger issue that I showed you guys earlier in the video. But with a 2-year replacement plan, I guess I can use it and abuse it and get a brand new replacement if it breaks within 2 years. This impact wrench can take off lug nuts torqued up to 160 foot-pounds easily. For a weekend warrior who just started off working on my own cars, I'd say this is more than enough for the maintenance and beginner repair jobs that I plan to take on. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed my video, please drop a like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.